Imagine this. You wake up to the sound of sales notifications. Cha-ching! Your phone is lighting up with new orders, and you haven't even left your bed. No stacks of inventory, no shipping boxes piling up in the corner. Just a simple system running while you sleep. What if I told you this is possible without investing thousands up front or renting out storage space? This, my friend, is the beauty of dropshipping. A business model designed for flexibility, minimal risk, and the chance to earn real money online. Welcome to Part 3 of our Online Money-Making Opportunities series. If you're ready to take control of your finances, work from anywhere, and start your journey into online business, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm walking you through exactly how to launch your own dropshipping store from scratch. We're talking niche selection, finding reliable suppliers, building your store, and, most importantly, how to get those first sales rolling in. Whether you're completely new to this or just curious about how it all works, stick around. I promise by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to start your very own dropshipping journey, and it's easier than you might think. So grab a notebook because we're diving in right now. Meet Sarah. Just a year ago, she was a typical college student, juggling lectures, late-night study sessions, and part-time jobs. Like so many students, Sarah was constantly on the lookout for ways to make extra cash without eating into her precious study time. That's when she stumbled upon the concept of dropshipping. With just $200 in her bank account and no experience in business, Sarah decided to take a leap of faith. She picked a niche she was passionate about, eco-friendly products, and started researching how to build her store. At first, Sarah wasn't sure if it would work. She spent hours watching YouTube tutorials and experimenting with marketing strategies. Her first week? Crickets, no sales. But she didn't let that stop her. She realized the key was learning how to market her products effectively. So she tried TikTok. Her very first video? It went viral, racking up thousands of views in just a few days. Fast forward a year, and Sarah now runs a thriving dropshipping store. She's able to pay her tuition, save money for the future, and even take some well-deserved weekends off, all while still studying full-time. Sarah's story is proof that you don't need a big budget or a business degree to start dropshipping. You just need determination, creativity, and the willingness to learn. And guess what? You can do it too! So, what exactly is dropshipping? Let me break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell products, like that eco-friendly backpack, without ever keeping them in stock. 1. Customer places an order. 2. You forward the order to your supplier. 3. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer. Here's how it works. Imagine a customer visits your online store and purchases a product. Once that happens, you send the order details to your supplier, who takes care of packaging and shipping it directly to the customer. It's that simple! The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't need to rent a warehouse, manage inventory, or worry about shipping logistics. All you do is focus on running your online store and marketing your products. Now let's talk about why dropshipping is such a game changer, especially for beginners. Benefit 1. Low upfront costs. First, the costs to get started are incredibly low. You don't need to invest in stock or storage, which means no big financial risks. All you need is a bit of capital to set up your online store and test a few products. Benefit 2. Flexibility. Next, flexibility. Dropshipping lets you work from anywhere in the world. Whether it's your living room, a coffee shop, or even a beachside cafe, all you need is your laptop and an internet connection. Benefit 3. Ease of starting. And finally, it's easy to start. You don't need any prior experience or technical skills. With platforms like Shopify and tools like Overlow or Spocket, setting up your store can be done in just a few hours. Dropshipping removes so many of the traditional barriers to starting a business. It's perfect for anyone who wants to dip their toes into entrepreneurship without taking on too much risk. So, if you're someone who's always dreamed of starting a business but didn't know where to begin, dropshipping might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. And don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. Now that you understand what dropshipping is and why it's such an exciting opportunity, let's break it down step by step. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your store. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a niche. The first and arguably most important step is picking a niche. Your niche is the specific category of products you'll sell. And it's crucial to strike a balance between something you're passionate about and something that's profitable. Ask yourself, what are you interested in? Maybe you love pets, fitness, or technology. Next, research if those niches have market demand. Look for trending products, check Google Trends, or browse bestsellers on Amazon and AliExpress. Here's an example. Sarah, who we met earlier, chose eco-friendly products because she's passionate about sustainability. That passion kept her motivated to work on her store and connect with her audience authentically. Remember, the more excited you are about your niche, the easier it is to stay consistent. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is finding reliable suppliers. Your suppliers will play a massive role in your store's success, so choose carefully. AliExpress is a popular starting point because it offers a huge variety of products at low prices. Oberlo integrates seamlessly with Shopify, making it easy to import products to your store. If you're looking for faster shipping times, especially in North America or Europe, check out Spocket for suppliers closer to your target audience. Here are some tips for vetting suppliers. Look for those with high ratings and plenty of positive reviews. Make sure their shipping times are reasonable. Nobody wants to wait a month for their order. And don't hesitate to reach out to test their communication. A good supplier will respond promptly and professionally. Step 3. Choose your e-commerce platform. Next, you need an e-commerce platform to host your store. 3 popular options are Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. Shopify is hands down the most popular for dropshipping. It's beginner-friendly, packed with features, and integrates seamlessly with apps like Oberlo. WooCommerce is great if you want more control over customization, but it requires some technical know-how. Wix is perfect for beginners who want a simple drag-and-drop builder, but may find it less scalable as they grow. If you're a beginner, I recommend Shopify. Setting up your store is as easy as choosing a theme, customizing it, and adding your products. And don't worry, you don't need any coding skills. Step 4. Build and brand your store. Now it's time to build and brand your store. A well-designed store builds trust with your customers, so don't skip this step. Start with a clean, user-friendly layout. Use professional images and a simple color scheme that matches your brand. For your logo, you can use tools like Canva or Fiverr to create something eye-catching without breaking the bank. Don't forget your product descriptions. Highlight the benefits of your products, not just the features. For example, instead of saying collapsible water bottle, say a space-saving, eco-friendly solution for staying hydrated on the go. It's all about showing your customers how your product solves a problem. Step 5. Market your store. Finally, the most crucial step, marketing your store. The best design and products mean nothing if people don't know your store exists. Social media advertising is one of the most effective ways to drive traffic. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok let you target specific audiences who are most likely to buy your products. Start with a small budget and test different ads to see what works best. TikTok in particular can be a goldmine for dropshipping. A single viral video showcasing your product could reach thousands, even millions of people overnight. Another powerful strategy is influencer marketing. Collaborate with micro-influencers in your niche to showcase your products authentically. Their followers trust them, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Lastly, don't underestimate email marketing. Build an email list from the start and keep your customers engaged with exclusive offers, product launches, and helpful content. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to starting a dropshipping store. From picking a niche to marketing your products, each step brings you closer to launching a business that fits your lifestyle and goals. So, which step are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. All right, so now you've got the steps to build your store. But let's talk about something just as important, what not to do. These common mistakes have caused many dropshipping businesses to fail, but if you know them ahead of time, you can avoid the same fate. Mistake 1. Relying on unreliable suppliers. Your supplier's the backbone of your business. If they're unreliable, it reflects directly on you. And trust me, customers won't hesitate to leave bad reviews. Imagine this. Your store is doing great. Orders are pouring in, but your supplier delays shipping or sends defective products. Your customers? Furious. Refund requests start flooding in. And just like that, your reputation takes a hit. To avoid this, vet your suppliers carefully. Place test orders to check product quality and shipping times before you start relying on them. Mistake 2. Neglecting customer service. Neglecting customer service is another fast track to failure. Customers expect timely, friendly responses, especially when something goes wrong. "Hey, where's my order?" Or, "I received the wrong product." How you handle these situations can make or break your business. Set up systems to respond quickly, even if it's just an automated email that acknowledges their concern. Showing customers you care can turn a bad experience into a loyal relationship. Mistake 3. Overloading on products. When starting out, it's tempting to list every trending product you can find. But here's the problem. A cluttered store can confuse your customers and make it harder to stand out. Instead, focus on a few winning products. Test them, refine your strategy, and build a brand around them. A targeted approach is far more effective than trying to sell everything. Let me share a story about a dropshipping store that almost didn't make it. The owner, let's call him Mike, launched his store with a promising niche, tech accessories. But Mike made 3 critical mistakes. It didn't take long for things to spiral. Negative reviews tanked his store's credibility. His refund policy wasn't clear, so customers were left angry and confused. And managing 50-plus products? It was chaos. Eventually, Mike had to shut down. But here's the good news. Mike didn't give up. He took what he learned, restarted with a smaller product range, and worked with a vetted supplier. This time, his store thrived. The lesson? Mistakes will happen, but learning from them is what sets successful entrepreneurs apart. Be proactive, prioritize your customers, and focus on doing a few things really well. Wow, we've covered a lot today. Let's take a moment to recap everything you need to start your dropshipping store. First, pick a niche that balances your passion with market demand. Then, find reliable suppliers who can deliver quality products on time. Next, choose the e-commerce platform that works best for you. Shopify is my go-to for beginners. After that, build and brand your store to create a professional, trustworthy shopping experience. And finally, market your store effectively using social media ads, influencer collaborations, and email campaigns. Now I know starting something new can feel overwhelming, but here's my advice. Keep it simple. Start with just one product in one niche. Focus your energy on testing and learning rather than trying to do it all at once. Choose a product that excites you and put it out there. Use what you've learned today to test your store. Experiment with marketing and gather feedback from your customers. Growth comes from taking those small, consistent steps. Remember, every successful dropshipper started right where you are now, at the very beginning. The key is to take that first step. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. So, what's your next move? Comment below with the niche you're excited to explore. And don't forget to subscribe for part 4 of this series, where we'll dive into affiliate marketing, a whole new way to make money online. And that's it! You now have the blueprint to start your very own dropshipping store. We've covered everything from choosing the perfect niche to marketing your products effectively. Now it's your turn to take the first step. So, are you ready to start your dropshipping journey? Let me know in the comments below. What's the niche you're excited to explore? Sharing your idea might even inspire someone else. And don't forget, this video is just part 3 of our online money-making opportunities series. In the next video, we're diving into affiliate marketing, another fantastic way to generate income online. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss a money-making tip. I've got more strategies, success stories, and practical advice coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. I'm rooting for your success. Sis, and I'll see you in the next video.